Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Hi, Liam. Do you want to play?
Sure, let's go to the playground.
Yay! I love the swings.
And I love the slide.
Look, I'm flying high.
Be careful, Emma.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Push me next, please. My turn on the slide.
Go ahead, Liam.
That was fun.
Let's do it again. Do you want to play on the seesaw?
Yes, I'll sit here.
Up and down, up and down.
Haha, it's like flying.
Let's build a sandcastle.
I'll make the tower.
And I'll make the door.
Look, our castle is ready.
I brought a ball. Want to play?
Of course, let's kick it.
Catch it, Liam.
Got it, nice pass. I'm tired, let's eat something.
Good idea, ice cream time.
I want chocolate.
I'll have strawberry, yummy. Look, new kids are here.
Let's say hi.
Hi, do you want to play with us?
Yes, let's play tag. You're it, Emma.
Oh no, I'll catch you.
Run, run, run.
Got you, you're it now.
Can I use your ball, Emma?
Sure, but don't kick it too far.
Okay, promise.
That's teamwork. Oh no, Liam fell down.
Ouch, my knee hurts.
Let's clean it with water.
Thank you, Emma. You're so kind.
That little boy dropped his toy.
Let's give it back to him.
Here you go.
Thank you. You're nice.
Look at the pond. There are ducks.
Let's count them. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
So many ducks. Uh-oh, it's getting cloudy. Maybe it will rain. Let's play one more game.
Okay, let's hurry. I had so much fun today.
Me too. The playground is awesome.
Let's come again tomorrow.
Deal.
Today, we learned to share and help.
And always be kind to friends.
That's what makes playtime happy.
Yes, friendship forever.